I got a couple more miles. That's probably the craziest thing I've ever done.
Morning guys, today's the day that I leave for Midsouth. I'm up, it's 5:45. I'm up super early because I haven't really started packing and I leave at 9. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get packed up and get organized and set up and head out.
So I'm putting the final touches on the packing. I have to swing by the bike shop because my disc brakes are all of a sudden gunking up. But then we'll meet up with Michael Potter and we'll hit the road. What up? How you doing? How's it going, man? You want to say hey to the fans for the vlog? I don't have any fans, but I told him that you were a sponsor, but I was like, man, I don't know if he would really claim to be my sponsor, but I want to tell people that you
hook up everyone.
Sweet.
All the fast kids.
There you go. He hooks up everyone.
What's up guys? So yeah, last night, you know, we got in super late and really I just set up and went to sleep. Currently I am camping in a hotel parking lot. The irony is real. Gonna go for a 2-hour ride today, go explore, see a bit of the course, see how it is. Keep you up to date.
What's up guys? Currently making some breakfast. We'll head out for a ride here soon with Michael Potter and go kind of test out the elements and see. So we just met this guy who's gonna hook us up with a tandem to go ride to pick up beer for the mechanics.
Don't touch them. And yeah.
Just don't touch those.
Don't touch those ones. Those are highly advanced beer drinking games.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So anyway, here's the deal. It's very simple. The first 100 feet, the learning curve is crazy steep, and then it's just a bite. But 2 key things. Most importantly, don't look at that damn fork when you're taking off.
Okay.
That disrupts people. You got to have your eyes up.
Okay.
And the other thing is, start it like a scooter. Get it going.
All right. All right. So get it up to speed.
So I'd get off my seat and just stand in front of the saddle. Don't put the pedal down. All right. No big deal. Very good. Now you can't look at the front fork.
Oh man. That's interesting. Alright, 6:15 guys, Jesus, take the wheel. That's awesome. That thing, it's just so twitchy feeling.
Yeah.
I don't know what kind of content I got for you there, but we made it. We're alive. Almost one tip over, but other than that, it was a blast. It was a lot of fun.
Isn't that a wonderful ride? I mean, it's just...
Yeah, that was awesome. All right, so we're on the way to Iron Monk to go have the, what is it, the Mid-South beer release, I guess?
Mid-South IPA.
Mid-South IPA. go test that out. It's being released tonight at Iron Monk. So yeah, let's go have a taste. So we're gonna swing by the booth and then we're gonna go check out chamois butter. Let's do it. Chamois butter! What? Oh man! Hey man! Oh man! Let's go see the chamois butter tent. Oh yeah. Let's check this out. There's a lot of purple, a lot of yellow, and a lot of happy bits.
A lot of happy bits. Keep it buttered up.
Yeah, right on. Check this out. Look. Out of the Yeti. They're keeping it cool.
We're butter doping.
Keeping it cool. Butter doping. Right on.
Get your ass happy.
Yeah, so there you hear it. So we're at the chamois butter tent and they're hyped as. So keeping the bits happy for this, what is gonna probably be a peanut butter muddy ride. But yeah, so, all right, this whole gravel thing's insane. Look at this. She just ran 50K. It is wild right now. And supposedly what they're doing is Bobby, the promoter, usually gives out hugs, but with the coronavirus, he's having to hold himself back and he's just giving elbows. It's so impressive. The vibe here is unlike anything else. It's amazing. People are great, and yeah, it's cool. We literally just finished the SRAM group ride in here. We're gonna head over to the SRAM booth, see if they have a C24 battery, and kind of go from there. Working hard. Hey guys, what's going on? So it is pouring rain outside right now. I mean, if you probably sit and listen, I don't know if you can hear that, but it's dumping. It actually woke us up in the middle of the night. It's super cold. It's probably like, it says it's 41 degrees and raining. Probably will warm up just a hair, hopefully. But yeah, it's been raining all night. My bike is saturated because it's been outside. But yeah, so now I'm gonna try to get dressed in this van, and yeah, race starts in an hour. So here we go.
This is what we came for. You can fit along it.
All right, I'm almost done. I got a couple more miles. That's probably the craziest thing I've ever done. I've been on the bike for like 8.5 hours doing 100 miles. This is the current setup. Finally have hit road, kind of washed the bike off a little bit, knocked the dirt off. But yeah, we did it. I wanted to quit so many times. Yeah, I'm way out of my element. Keep it up.
The Nicola coming on in.
Yeah, baby. Nuts. Yes. Yeah. You guys are nuts. Well, we did it. I finished 67th out of a ton of people. But yeah, this is the aftermath of the bike. Little bit of race update. I lost shifting probably around mile 20. Regained the shifting after I had a bike wash at mile 50. Lost it again around mile 55 to 60, and then pretty much didn't have shifting all the way home. Hoping to upgrade actually to Axis after this. So SRAM, you've sold me on that.
It was insane.
Probably one of the most epic races I will and have ever done. Other than that, that's all I got. I'm gonna take this bike to a car wash and I'm just gonna spray her down. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you didn't like this video, please still hit the like button. If you can, please subscribe. Thanks.